Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at the Lego Movie 2 Emmet pod. And I've never looked at or gotten one of these pods before. And I saw one on sale, so I decided to pick one up. I'll include links in the description if you're interested in getting one of these, and also a brick link and brick set link as well if you want to get information on any of these. And I don't know, it's only 27 pieces. I don't know how I feel about the whole pod thing, but let's open this thing up and take a look at it. Alright, at least it opens pretty easily. That is one win for it already. Okay, so let's see. We open it up somehow, like so. Alright, so it's kind of interesting. I like that idea. Alright, now let's look at the instructions. See what it says to do. Alright, so Emmet in the pod. So step one. Okay, so we're basically, it looks like building a little crane inside the pod. I feel like the amount of material, by the way, there's a little, I don't know if you can see that, the little image changing thing. What's the name for this? Crap, I don't remember what the name for these things are. Anyway, they have a name. So anyway, we got good old Emmet. And let's see. We'll put Emmet together while we're just doing this. And Emmet is going to be happy about this and not freaked out because we're not going to mess up and screw up any of his pieces. Alright, so here's good old Emmet. So what we got to do is... I wonder what that's for. Y'all see that right there? I feel like this is kind of an interesting idea. I just don't know about the implementation of it. Alright, anyway. So let's see what we got. So we're supposed to put this thing here. And where are you? This thing right there. Alright, so we got that. So next, snap one of these things together. And on top of it, we're going to put one of these 1x2, what are they, like door rail pieces, something like that. And then this has the studs facing the door rail side. Like so. So this goes in the center, right there. Seems like it can spin around pretty good. Alright. This, and this, and this. Maybe this. There we go, after that. And then... I'm guessing this is a yellow or an orange warning light. And that's cool. I kind of like that piece. Alright, so that clips to here. Like so. Oh, I think I clipped it upside down. This clips to here. That's got the light at the bottom. Alright. Next thing we gotta do is make this thing. So this and this, like so. And then right there, like that. And then another orange piece. Goes on top there. And then make sure it's just facing the right way. This goes in here, like so. And this clips to the end, like that. Alright. Next, we attach this, like so. Let me so you can see. This attaches like so. Alright, I don't like the off-centered nature of this. I feel like this should attach sort of in the middle. Okay. And then we sprinkle these things right here and this side. And it can dig them out. Okay, that's less bad looking than I thought it was. It's kind of tough to get them, though. And oh, okay, I get it now. I get why there's a piece right here. So when you are storing it, you fold it up. Alright, so when you're playing with it, good old Emmet can sit right here. I guess he can sit right there. And do like bulldozer looking things or excavator looking things. And then when you are not playing with it, these things pop off. And this pops off, Emmet pops off. And you store this here. This gets stored right here. This gets stored right here. I guess. Stored like this. I bet. Yeah, stored like that. Maybe stored like that. How is this one supposed to attach? That's supposed to attach this way. So it's supposed to hold this. Doesn't look like it's going to stay there. It looks like it's going to come off. Alright. And then the little pieces here, the rocks, you just stick in here. I don't know. This is kind of interesting, but I feel like it'd be somehow better. I don't know. My favorite part about this so far is the fact that Emmet stands right here. So we stand Emmet right there, like so. Fix his hair. And so it should close. Alright. Well, I mean, it's kind of interesting, I guess. The problem I see is this piece doesn't seem like it's attached. And I feel like I'm doing something wrong with attaching it. It's supposed to go in like this, with this on top. And it looks like this is supposed to clip in here. But it doesn't look like it's going to do it. Anyway, this is kind of an interesting, I don't know what you call it. It's an interesting Lego oddity. I don't know. I feel like there's parts of this that I think are really have potential, but I don't know how hot I feel about this whole thing. What do y'all think? You think the pod idea is a neat one or kind of just weird? Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments. And if you have anything, if you have any ideas for any Lego sets you'd like me to take a look at, let me know. And if I've done something terribly wrong with this, you can let me know in the comments as well. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an excellent day.